Till now we have created our templates with Bootstrap. Now we will perform functionality on these templates, like we will add some data, update data, and fetch all data. So first of all, I will start from creating data. So before we will create a model. So open your models.py in application folder and create class post models.model, and first field will be title field, and this is a character field. So here maximum length argument is required, and the second field is detail. In the character field, we need to put maximum length. Text field, and now we will create this table post. So Django gives us command to create migration. So we will run this command, py manage.py make migration. So this has been created a migration file. Now we will migrate the. So here we have migrated our post model. Now we will import the post model in our views file from dot models import post, and in the add method we will check if request dot method equal to post. Then we will perform operation. We will do title request dot post title detail equal to request dot post detail, and this post model gives us manager to create data. So we will create objects dot create. First will be our column name, so column is title, and the second will be our form input name, this is detail. So this function has been has this function will create our data in database. So now we will if successfully data has been inserted in database, then we will show the message. So we will use the message framework from Django dot contrib import messages. Here we will put messages dot success, and this will be our request, and the second will be data has been added. So now open my add template, and I will put the name title. Here I will put the name detail, and in the form tag I will put post method, and the most important thing, I will add CRSF token. Without this token the form will not perform. The form, we cannot submit the form. Okay, so now we will show the message if messages, then we will show the message for message in messages and 4, and here we will show the message. Actually I will show the message in success in the green box. So I will put the success class text success. So now we are ready to add data. I hope this should be work. So this is our first title, first uh, post title, post detail, sorry, post title, post detail, submit. Actually I have not started my server. Py manage.py run server. So now we will add, and one thing more we need to add here, form method post action will be add. So now post title, post detail, submit. So data has been submitted and the success message has been shown. So now we have created successfully data in the database. Now we will fetch the data and verify the data that data has been submitted in our database. So go to views file, and in the home method I will fetch the posts. So post dot objects dot all, and in the render method I will pass the post data. So post posts. So open your home.html and delete the repeated cards and run the loop for post in posts and 4, and here I will put post dot title, and here post dot detail. So I will go to the home page. So here post title, post detail. Now I will add another. This is my, I will add another post. This is my first post. This is my first post detail. So data has been added. Now I will see the, so data is fetching correctly. So now we have completed our create and read functionality in Django.